Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here, I'm going to show you how to buy Catgirl. So I've seen this appear a lot on TikTok, so I thought why not making a video about how to buy it or sell it. Alright, so as you can see, if we go to market, you can see it's listed in this decentralized exchanges and in here PancakeSwap. Okay, and you can buy or sell it with WBNB. Okay, so if you don't know how to get or wrap or unwrap WBNB, check my previous video. I made sure to make that video to show you how to get WBNB. Okay, and let's go to pancakeswap.finance, and then the first time you get into here, it will automatically appear to connect your MetaMask wallet. If you don't have MetaMask wallet, I have a video about how to create or set up a MetaMask wallet. And if you don't have any cryptocurrency, again on the MetaMask wallet, check my videos about how to buy cryptocurrency and send it to MetaMask. Okay, so after you've done all of that and now you're ready to buy or sell Catgirl, just get to here and connect your MetaMask wallet. In here, if we are doing it manually, you get to choose whatever wallet that you have or more. In my case, I'm using MetaMask, and choose the account that you want and click next and connect. And here we are connected. Go to trade and exchange, and here you are on the exchange to buy Catgirl. All right, so here we are now. As I told you, I have made a video about how to get WBNB. Watch that and get back to here. You'll be having now WBNB on your MetaMask wallet, so choose WBNB in here and click on here and choose Catgirl in here. So what you do if you don't find Catgirl listed in here, just go to manage tokens and go to tokens, and let's get back to here. Go to coinmarketcap.com and search for Catgirl in here, and here we are. Go to contracts and copy this one here. Get back to here and paste it here, and here you are. Click import, click I understand and import. Now you got Catgirl. So now choose the amount of WBNB that you have or you want to spend or buy Catgirl with. You can choose max or choose the amount that you want, and this is how much one WBNB will get you of Catgirl, and then click buy and swap, and that's it. Your order will go through. Alright, so this is it. I hope you like this explanation. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and thank you for watching.